Let's talk about radar right now. Very light drizzle, maybe some sleet down in northern Mississippi right now. Memphis, we are not seeing any precipitation, and many of us will be dry for the rest of the day today, at least until this evening. Now, an ice storm warning does remain in place through tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., so ice is going to remain a concern at least through tomorrow morning. Notice our temperatures. Today, our high 32 degrees, so not a whole lot of melting. Tomorrow, we get to 40. Friday, we get to 40, and then really warming up by the weekend, close to 60 for Sunday and into next week. In fact, we are going to be above 60 to start off next week. For the rest of the day, again, cloudy and cold through about 3 p.m. By dinner time, though, we're going to have one more round of some freezing rain come in. So that's going to be spotty rain from about dinner time into the midnight hour. So that's going to continue off and on tonight. It's not going to be a steady rain, but some off and on freezing rain possible. Low temperature of 31, but by tomorrow morning, our temperatures are going to climb above freezing. So I don't expect this last round of freezing rain to be as significant as what we've already gone through, but it could add an extra glaze in some spots. And of course, any extra ice now is just kind of an insult to injury. Here's the hour by hour. Again, temperatures right now in the 20s and 30s. Here comes a little bit of light freezing rain this afternoon into this evening. It's really going to be after sunset tonight that we have the best chance to see some more freezing rain come in. Watch the clock. By about 10 or 11 p.m. you see that rain and freezing rain moving in, and it'll continue off and on overnight tonight into very early tomorrow morning. Check this out though, by 7 a.m. temperatures in the metro above freezing, 33. So that's around the time we're going to start to switch from freezing rain to rain. That's also going to allow that ice to start to melt. Now, rain is going to continue through the day tomorrow off and on, but temperatures will be near 40 degrees. So once the temperatures climb above freezing tomorrow morning, we will be done with any chance of ice. Check out this additional ice accumulation from now until tomorrow morning. Again, not as significant as what we've already seen. Keep in mind, many areas saw a 1/4 inch of ice. We're thinking another 0.08 to 1/10 of an inch of ice, so really not that much. It doesn't take much more ice, though. Of course, this can still lead to some issues on the roadways in addition to what we've already seen. So a little more glaze of ice possible tonight into tomorrow morning, but notice highs in nearly 40 degrees. So that's going to turn to all rain by Thursday afternoon. That's also going to help to wash away some of that ice on the roads. 40 degrees and sunny on Friday, maybe a little bit of patchy black ice Friday morning. I think many roads are going to be fine by then. Sunshine, though, by Friday afternoon. Saturday and Sunday looking much better. 40s and 50s, no chance of rain. Monday and Tuesday, they are going to really start to warm up, back to near 60 degrees. In fact, over 60 degrees for Monday and Tuesday. Our next chance of rain after tomorrow, that's going to come in on Tuesday. Luckily, though, with temperatures in the 60s, we're talking about just rain. So after tonight, and once that ice melts tomorrow, we are done with the wintry weather for a while.